worse. So there are signs that the COVID-19 pandemic is connected to increased substance use. The local data from NCDA has pointed to increased use, for example, of alcohol and cannabis as a result of anxiety, depression, loneliness, financial challenges, and other forms of concerns. For a closer look at the impact on our youth, we therefore decided, as we had said, that assessment would be necessary to do a rapid situational assessment, and we conducted that in May 2022, where we went into 13 secondary schools. Assessment involved 160 students from grades 8 to 10 and took place across 13 parishes. Additionally, we spoke to the administrators/teachers, guidance counselors. So what are the main findings? To begin with, the party drug Molly, which have been a part of the discussion in the media in recent times, emerged as among one of the more popular substances in use by adolescents.
The 13 parishes that we went to, both students and guidance counselors spoke about their involvement in scamming and the fact that some of the students have not returned to school because of the money that they're earning from scamming and the fact that they have lost interest in academics. When we asked about the popular substances that are currently being used, Molly, vaping, and edibles are what came out as the top three.
The ministry's intervention at the moment will have to be ramped up. Our school leadership teams, which include our guidance counselors on the ground, our deans of disciplines, our peer counselors, PTAs, students, counselors, and all members of the community on board. Our spend as a ministry at the moment, budgeted for, we have $20 million that we had set aside. Outside of personnel, we had set aside $20 million for behavior modification and counseling. Coming out of COVID, we understood that many of our children had gone through severe challenges in terms of depression and all sorts of other things. My appeal today is, in light of this and in light of all that we know, that our adults, our parents, should stop paying lip service to the raising of our children in this nation and come on board with us to help us to make sure that our children at least get a chance to be all that they can be.
For the current academic year, coming September 5th, the Ministry of Education will be committed to provide, procure, and support the installation of CCTV surveillance system in 6 of our high schools. These schools have been targeted in the context of the increased level of violence in those spaces, and so the 6 schools are Papine High and Denhamtown High, Orekabesa High, Heltham High, Grangeville High, and Hopewell High. This level of support is being provided to the school for them to use technology to help to treat with the issues in school.